Oh my gosh. Dude, you're gonna tear this 4Runner up, man. I'm surprised you haven't. Have you done any steel work in the back yet? Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
What's going on, man?
Hey, how you doing?
I seen your videos.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm doing some right now.
Sweet.
What's up, Will?
What's up, man?
Can I see the new box? I heard you did a new build. I didn't hear it. I actually saw it on Facebook. Facebook newsfeed. Very nice. Oh, so you did 6 8-inch ports? Or 6 inch, okay. Nice. That's different. So you have different depths for SPL. Okay. I like it.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, his old build, he had two. I remember he had two of the 12-inch ports. Yep. Are these the DDX 15s?
Yep.
6 of them.
Yep.
Is it still 4 or 6 amps?
6 amps, man.
Okay. The 2500s or 45s?
45.
40. Oh my gosh. Dude, you're gonna tear this 4Runner up, man. I'm surprised you haven't. Have you done any steel work in the back yet?
Yep.
Man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's like, what? Totally different.
Looks good.
I've done 58s consistently today. I'm wired at 1 ohm per amp.
Oh, so do you have any kind of switch to go for burp SPL? No?
I'm just doing 1 ohm and that's it.
Yeah. Are you cool enough right now?
No, I'm
Can I get a demo? All right.
It's chilly, man.
I know, it's getting cold. I feel bad sometimes. She's out there or getting demos inside and then the guy's got heater on. At least we're not worrying about amps blowing. Some people blow amps when it's hot.
That's true.
Nice. What's your, one question, sorry, before. What's your cubic space on your box?
16 and a half.
16 and a half.
Yeah. That's total net after
Yep.
displacement stuff.
Where's your frequency peak on it now with the new box?
40 hertz sealed
40. Okay.
and 47 door open.
So it
I'm
did it
tuning at 38.
38. Okay.
Yeah.
So you still stay pretty close to tuning.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
It's a lot bigger than your old.
Oh yeah.
It's something I guess 4 to 6. Didn't seem like a big deal, but it's like, yeah, it was. I'm still learning what it like, don't like. I'm still playing with
Yeah.
different stuff, but so far, and like I said, these are DDXs. I'm clapping 18K at 1 ohm on 47 hertz and about 17K-ish, about 40 hertz. So, and they're taking the power without no problems.
Yeah. Nice. Is this box within the specs for your SPL where you compete for your height?
Well, that's the issue. When I built it, okay, to compete in all these organizations, it's got to be, IASCA 24 inches tall, an enclosure. So the enclosure is 22 and a half. So that's in IASCA's rules.
Uh-huh.
The other organizations is 12 inches from the roof down to the top of the subs.
Yeah.
Or the box. So now I built the box, I made sure every organization I was in the rule book, so I can compete with this box with the DVX subs, EVX subs, or whatever, with the same box and be qualified across the board with every organization, no wall. Period.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much why it's the height it is and the size it is, because I couldn't go no higher.
Couldn't go any higher.
If you go higher, then you get bumped into another class. I'm like, nah.
Yeah.
So I made sure that when I built it, I was gonna make sure I stayed in all the classes.
Yes, sir.
Plus, I still can drive it and enjoy it, and it's still a no wall. It's literally a box just slid in my truck.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's just 6 subs now.
Awesome. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around and discussion we had on Master Will's system. I went ahead and put a video link in the description for his previous system. This was the thumbnail at the time. He had 2 big ports and a 15-inch subwoofer system, 4 of them. And now he has this 6 15-inch subwoofer build. So go ahead and comment, let him know what you think about his system, as well as give him a thumbs up. Shout out to you, Master Will. Amazing job. Really solid box in his 4Runner, getting things broken apart from so much bass pressure. He's even got bandages on the side with tape that he put in there. The bandages, of course, is a joke, but he's trying to put the thing together to keep the vehicle from breaking apart from so much flex. You're going to see this 2-song bass demo here in a minute. Before that, I just want to say thank y'all for watching. Consider subscribing. And I really like the way he has his 4 ports on the bottom and his 2 at the top. He actually plugs those 2 top ones depending on how low he wants to play. He is doing SPL competitions, as we were talking about in the discussion. So he's definitely breaking the 158 decibel plus range during this video. So now let's go ahead and get to this crazy 2-song bass demo. Enjoy. That's good. Man, very nice, dude. And that's not even a super high. What is your frequency peak on it now with the new box?
40 hertz sealed.
40. Okay.
And 47 door open.
So it did
tuned at 38.
38. Okay.
Yeah.
You still stay pretty close to tuning. Nice.
It's a lot bigger than your old house.
Oh yeah. Got 2 more subs. Plays pretty low. Oh man, I like it. Thanks for the demo, Will.
Appreciate it, man.
Good to see you, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.